Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the wrong timestamps in Lightroom Mobile. So if you forgot to set the time on your camera, so when the photos have the wrong capture times, it messes up your organizations, especially when sorting by chronology. So in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you the simple trick to change the capture time in Lightroom Mobile. So first, what you need to do is just open the Lightroom Mobile and select the photo that you want to fix. For example, I'm going to fix this photos right here. So once the photo is open, you can just click on the info, the eye icon at the top left corner. Click on that, and this will show all the details of your photos, including the camera used, the file name, and capture date or time. So if that is wrong, don't worry, we'll fix it next. So in here, if you're using the Lightroom on PC, you can just easily see the adjust capture time options. You can just tap that and then you can modify the current capture time, so you can change it manually. But here on mobile, you cannot click on it, the info, so you can just go to the metadata options, and here you can adjust or change it in the caption. So you can just, for example, I'm going to just go with this like this, for example, and then you can just go back because it will be saved automatically, just like that. So you can go back to your photo library, and if you short your photos by capture time, Lightroom will automatically rearrange them based on the new date and time you set. So that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you guys. But if you want to adjust the capture time easily, you can do it on the Lightroom on PC. I recommend you just use the one on PC. But here's the trick on how you can edit it on Lightroom Mobile. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment, and also subscribe and click on the thanks. So I'll see you on in the next tutorial. Bye.